Oh, well, welcome back to another episode. Brian here today, and this is going to be our first unboxing video. Well, so we did a thing. Happy birthday to me. It's only 318.7 pounds.
Birthday.
So the plan is to unbox it in the truck because it's 320 pounds and put it together on the ground. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't know what KAMADO Joe is, it's like the Mercedes of smokers, the BMW of barbecues. It's like the Big Green Egg's older brother, I think. And of course, we had to get the Classic 3, which is the most current model with all the accessories, but we'll get to that in a second. Wooden top. What do you think of that? Gotta be a use for that, huh? Gotta be a use for that. Oh, there it is. Adjustable grills, an owner's manual I should probably not read. Let's get this thing, oh my goodness, off the truck. Do you know what storms around here? Just a few storms. I mean, the wind's up and the thunder's going because I'm trying to make a video, so apologies for the audio. Big ceramic pot. That's where the ash goes down there. Right there, I think. Yeah, that slides open. It's cool.
Grill cart. So we need all these pieces.
Grill cart. Oh yeah, okay. And those.
So do you know where those two pieces are?
Yeah, they're in that pile. Okay. Grill gripper. Dual function aluminum top. Wheel kit. We need that right now. Ash tool. And aluminum side shelves. Also fits the pellet joe. So they've made these pellet joe as a different model. We have the classic 3. These foam pads to protect the paint all the way around. Well, I guess the wheels are, you can't feel that weight, but built to support 300 pounds and definitely holds up. Good. You take it out, put charcoal on the bottom, or put charcoal on either side. That's pretty neat. It all sits. It uses gravity. It doesn't mount to itself. It's heavy ceramic. So it's a bit of a trip. You don't want to be moving this thing too often. Manufactured dates all over it. So can you see that? October 2020, this thing was assembled, well, built, manufactured. So this is for smoking. Are we in agreement?
Yeah.
We put charcoal in there. This goes on top, hence the do not exceed 500 degrees. What is this? What are the grills go up and down?
These are for the shelves.
That makes sense.
So you would put however high or low you want to smoke.
Okay, that makes sense. And so you take out the black piece, all would come out if you're not smoking?
Correct.
Or, because it does say do not exceed 500 degrees. Those pieces.
Yes.
Okay,
So this is one option of setup.
got it.
We're not smoking.
If you're not smoking, and then, okay.
And then so high heat, you put her down here.
Coals directly underneath.
You want lower heat, goes up here. You also
Oh, I like
have
that. I like that, so you go back and forth.
the other option of putting your, like this guy, maybe it doesn't sit like that. I thought it did.
Does it sit on here?
Maybe.
Does it sit on the grill like a pizza?
Yeah.
Cool.
We don't have any of those accessories.
Is that pizza?
Yeah.
Oh.
It also blocks heat, right?
Yep.
So if you have a hot fire.
And for you kiddos at home, talk about what failure means at school. This is design number 457. So what happened to the previous 456? Failure is a learning opportunity, and that's a big shift we need to do in education. Failure cannot be punished. Failure needs to be not celebrated, but learned from, and reflected upon. Like a stopper so it doesn't bug the ceramic side. That's fun. Cool. I got different heights too. Oh no, just one height. Okay.
Grill gripper.
Oh yeah. And these are, hear that? That's not plastic. What is this?
Ash tool.
Like to pull.
I don't know.
But there's a. Yeah, I guess that's assumed to be hot, and then it's got holes here too. If anybody knows, comment below. We're new to this. Of course, everything hangs. Well, it's fully assembled. We've got the grills down at the second of the 3 tiers. We've got the stone on the left. We figure high heat, you can put the charcoal on the side. Remember, it's got the divider there. This could sort of be a resting spot. Haven't a clue. Gonna try it now. It's very hot up here. And notice it browned. I didn't leave the grill on long enough for the grill marks. But for presentation, something to observe. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. That's a win in my books. thank you for watching. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland. Give somebody close to you a hug. Tell them they matter. Until next time.